Hello, everyone. My name is Mrs. Graham. Welcome to our Lakers Online first grade class. I'd like to tell you a little bit about myself. This is my 14th year working in the West Bloomfield School District. I've taught first and second grade for many, many years, and I've also worked at many of the elementary schools within our district. Most recently, I have taught Lakers Online in first grade last year. I graduated from Michigan State University for my undergrad degree and from Marygrove College for my master's degree. I've worked in hospital and government administration for many, many years. Our class came up with rules to focus on how they wanted to be treated by each other. We call that our social contract. So you're looking at the contract that our class came up with to remind each other what we need to do to help each other grow as learners and do our very best. I have included here schedules that are very important. I've included our daily schedule that tells you what time school begins, Monday through Thursday. It gives you the information in terms of what time we have specials, what time I'm teaching each subject, lunch, our afternoon activities, which include independent work, them working in small groups, and even working with me one-on-one, as well as the time that we have office hours in which a student can come and say, Mrs. Graham, I really don't understand something. Can you help me? Or if parents would like to come and say, Mrs. Graham, I'm trying to go over this idea you talked about in class with my child. I need your help. I'm here for you during those office hours. I've included a link to our special schedule that gives you the day in which they have the specials and the Zoom link to actually access that special. I've included our Friday schedule, which is different from our Monday through Thursday. Our Friday schedule is different because our specials start earlier. Our special starts at 8:45 on Fridays. So I have a schedule to show you what our Fridays look like. And then we have this new concept in our school district this school year called Early Release Wednesdays. We have school 5 days a week, but on Wednesdays, we get out of school 2 hours earlier. So you'll see what that looks like and how it affects our school day. I've even given you, for your convenience, a link to all of the early release days for the entire school year, so you will know when an early release day is coming. I've included information about our fall NWEA testing dates. That's a standardized test that is given every single school year 3 times during the school year, in the fall, in the winter, and in the spring. Finally, I have a link to our Star of the Week schedule. We are going to have Star of the Week activities beginning in October, and it's a chance for your child to, first of all, get comfortable talking around their classmates and share just how awesome and amazing that they are. So these links and these schedules are priceless for our class. I want to give you a quick overview of our curriculum. We have our language arts curriculum, which is a balanced literacy approach where we focus on combining the concepts of reading and writing and show how they really do work so well together. We have our reader's workshop, our writer's workshop, our shared reading time, our interactive read alouds. We will be studying words focusing on the spelling and phonics concepts, and we'll have small group instruction to support your student to meet them and their individual needs. For math in first grade, we focus on addition and subtraction, place value, and shapes. We focus on making sure the students are able to add and subtract numbers up to 20, including story problems, being able to count, read, and write numbers up to 120, focus on skip counting in 2s, 5s, and 10s, being able to identify, sort, and draw shapes, in addition to telling time to the hour and half hour. We also focus on making sure that they are able to understand the concept of counting coins. In science, we focus on air and weather, sound and light, and new plants. In social studies, our focus is on following rules and making choices, being good citizens, and active in our communities. We focus on needs and wants, the past, the present, and the future. Please take a moment each week. On Wednesdays, I will be sending you the attendance form link. Please take just a few minutes to complete the attendance form link and have that link completed by Friday of each week. This is how we're keeping track of attendance this school year. It's something new, and I will support you with the helpful reminders. I'm not trying to bother you, but I do want to make sure that these things are completed. Thank you. We have my Canvas site, which I'm about to show you. This site is very helpful in giving you tons of information to help support your child. I have on our Canvas page, if you click the day of the week, it tells you what I'm going to be teaching for that week. It shows you the specials for the week and for that particular day, and it shows you how you can get to me each day. I've also included information that's just helpful for a parent, our daily schedule, our specials, information about our class, parent resources, Zoom link, how you can reach me by voicemail or email. I send out weekly newsletters, so I keep those things stored here, our virtual class library. We also have our specials. If your child, which I am teaching them each day, how they can do this, how they can click on the picture that is under each day of the week. It shows them the special they'll be attending and how they can quickly click that picture, and it takes them to the Zoom link for that specials teacher. Finally, below, you will see that we have an overview of our curriculum and each subject. I want to take a minute and show you our independent work area. This area is filled with tons of activities that the students engage in each and every day by subject. And if you scroll down, it is constantly growing. I am constantly adding activities to this, so please make sure that your child is working on these. It is priceless. I do want to tell you that I've set up a way in which you can submit assignments to me. I am going to be emailing you this information to help support you. Have an amazing day. Thank you. We really appreciate you. If you have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. Thank you very much.